Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 14th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar on the daily time frame, working down to the 1 hour. So the Aussie dollar turned very hard at the 61%. This definitely is looking more like a corrective pattern, like it's just a crunch into this last move down. The Aussie dollar really, ever since pretty much spring, has been very, 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 very choppy on the daily time frame. So I guess it definitely does make sense for it to possibly go down and, continue its choppy pattern. Definitely no breakout to the upside yet, that's for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, late in the day yesterday, we had a nice significant break of structure. We had a little break of structure up here too in the afternoon, but we definitely confirmed that the move up is complete. Then what happened in the Asian session? Look at this. You had breaks of structure, one, two, three waves up. That is a perfect little three-wave pullback. Break of structure, three waves up. Those are the bread and butter trades. Now the new structure level is right here. We are currently in a move to the downside, so we are definitely only looking for shorts. Definitely wouldn't go short right now. Definitely only going short on pullbacks. So for me, the only strategy right now is to wait patiently for a new pullback to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. As long as it doesn't break this 2 to 4 hour time frame structure, I will be waiting for more pullbacks in order to go short again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.